This is evaluation 6. We're going to be talking about what technologies we used, what we used them for, why they were useful, and also what we learnt from using them. First of all is Blogger. Blogger is the main basis for our entire project. Every piece of work we completed towards this coursework is uploaded onto our blog for everybody to see. This work includes videos, PowerPoints, and much more that we will talk about later on. At first, we didn't really understand how to work Blogger. Well, it's actually very easy. It just takes some time to get used to it. From using Blogger, we have learnt how to edit, insert pictures to the internet, and most importantly, blog. We can now always go to blog if needed in the future.
SlideShare proved to be very useful to us as a group throughout the whole coursework. SlideShare allowed us to convert Microsoft PowerPoints into blog posts and put onto the internet as a whole. It was very easy and simple because all that had to be done was to create an account through email on www.slideshare.com and upload the PowerPoint. This taught us how to put PowerPoints on the internet and not just in Blogger. We now know if this is needed in the future.
Scribd is very similar to SlideShare. In the same way SlideShare let us upload PowerPoints to the blog, this lets us upload Microsoft Word documents. We found that Scribd was used very commonly during the project when blogging. We used this for shooting schedules, the questionnaires and an evaluation. It became very important to us over the entire course. We now know how to upload Microsoft Word documents to the internet in the future.
Prezi is a more technological and complex version of a PowerPoint. Instead of just moving from slide to slide like a PowerPoint, Prezi does the same, just in a more interesting form, such as a story or cartoon strip. Even though Prezi is said to be more complex, it's no harder than a PowerPoint. Due to this, we now know an alternative to PowerPoint presentations in the future, and we learnt how easy it really is to use.
The iPad was a massive help to us with all aspects of the project. We used the iPad to film, create title sequences and post blogs. We found the iPad to be very convenient as it allowed us to blog and research in an easier location. We found this much more suitable as well because we could blog pictures and videos instantly instead of having to upload them to a computer. By using the iPad, it gave us a wider range of knowledge of the blog and the applications within the device.
iMovie is an application that's downloaded onto the iPad. All of our filming took place using this app, and we completed the entire trailer by using it. At first, all of us didn't have a clue how to use it, although that's why we created the preliminary task. After making that, we actually realised how easy and simple the app is. We learnt how to film and edit completely from it, and know that it's a trustworthy source to use in the future.
We didn't use YouTube a massive amount throughout the course of our project. We used YouTube to upload all of the videos we made and needed to blog, such as group discussions and the final thriller. The only other reason we used YouTube was to find clips of other thrillers that we could analyse. YouTube has a large variety of clips, so we know we can always go back there.
We created a Facebook page to gain a fan base. We didn't use Facebook massively because of the age of our target audience. We tend to use other social networking sites such as Twitter or Instagram.
Twitter was definitely our main social networking site. Lots of the work we did, we tweeted about to let our target audience know what's happening and gain even more fans. We had celebrities such as Jamie tweet us to show their support, and we could also tweet celebrities such as British director Noel Clarke to get advice on our thriller.
Instagram is a very different form of social networking compared to the others, for example Twitter and Facebook. Instagram is all about uploading photos, which meant we could let fans have information with pictures such as costumes and props.
Although all of these social networking sites have the same concept, they all have different target audiences. This is good because it means we can reach a large variety of people in an easy way to gain fans and followers. Sony Vegas Pro 12 trial is a software that we use to edit our thriller. We only used the trial because we could use it for 30 days, but we didn't even need it for that long. It was difficult to use at first, but the program had tutorials and just needed some time to get used to. It was easy and simple and could definitely use it again if we need to film in the future.